Hey everyone, and welcome to another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. We are in Scottsdale, Arizona at the Adeline, which is on the northeast corner of Scottsdale and Camelback Road. We are in walking distance of Scottsdale Fashion Square and pretty much the northern half of Old Town. And this is just a super quick video of their pool facing king room. Pool facing is considered an upgrade because this is actually a super old motel, a very retro old motel that they, it's had several owners, and now this is under the Marriott Tribute Collection. And so pool facing is a nice view because, okay, so the screen's down. I'm going to give you a better shot in a minute, but pool facing is much nicer because otherwise you get parking lot. So because it's a motel, anybody can walk up to your window, but they have two layers of screens. They have the completely opaque blackout and then kind of the privacy screen. They have remodeled these rooms beautifully. Most of the rooms are like this. It's just going to be a difference of first floor, second floor, pool facing, parking lot facing. There are a few rooms that are a little bit bigger, but not much. Okay, so they did a great design here. You get a couple drawers, closet, the typical amenities of like ironing board, blow dryer, some storage, nice amenities. They do give you coffee supplies and water. Mini fridge. Safe, I think I mentioned. And then we'll give you a quick tour. In the lobby, they have a very nice breakfast, lunch, dinner, very simple but very nice restaurant, a bar that stays open till 10 most nights and later other nights, and a speakeasy, which is kind of fun. Plus the whole lobby area is actually really pretty and a fun place to kind of just hang out. We happen to be in room 4212, which means we are in building 4, second floor, room 12. And they've also turned this hotel into a super fun retro like pool party hotel. So like on Saturdays all day long, they have a big pool party going. They have fun music playing. They do have quiet hours, so they do turn it off at a certain point. Cabanas that can be reserved, outdoor bar. And you cannot beat the location in Old Town Scottsdale either. We happen to be here in February of 2022, and this is the kind of beautiful day we're having right now. It's chilly in the air. It's about 50 degrees, so it's a little chilly once you get out of the pool, but the pool is heated. Over there is part of Camelback Mountain and the lobby area, as well as the bar and speakeasy. You can see all the cabanas and everything. And that's it. It's kind of small. There's 5 buildings, but like, I think it is like building 1, 2. This end building is considered building 3. I'm in building 4. And then the last building where you see the housekeeping cart is building 5. So there you go. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to build our channel, so if you feel like this is beneficial to you at all, we'd appreciate the subscription. Feel free to leave comments or questions, and thanks for watching.